Have you ever wanted to invest, but something stopped you? That feeling in your stomach? The fear of losing money? The voice in your head saying, "What if I fail?" Today, I'll show you how fear controls your investing decisions and how it might be costing you more than you think. What is fear in investing? Fear in investing is simple. It's the feeling that stops you from taking action because you're afraid of losing money. And honestly, this fear is normal. No one likes losing money. But here's the problem. When fear controls your decisions, you don't just avoid losses, you also miss opportunities. Why people are afraid to invest? There are a few big reasons why people feel this fear. First, fear of losing money. People think, what if I invest and everything goes down? Second, lack of knowledge. If you don't understand something, it feels risky. Third, past experiences. Maybe you or someone you know lost money before. And finally, overthinking. Too many options, too much information, and you end up doing nothing. How fear holds you back. Fear doesn't just stop you from investing. It makes you wait and wait and wait. You keep saying, I'll start later. But later becomes months, then years. And during that time, your money is not growing. So the real risk isn't always losing money. Sometimes it's missing the chance to grow it. What is the fear during market drops? Now let's talk about another type of fear. Fear when the market goes down. You see prices dropping and panic starts. Many people sell everything quickly because they're scared. But here's the truth. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Fear makes people sell at the worst time and miss the recovery later. How important is fear and logic? Good investing is based on logic, but fear is emotional. And emotions can make bad decisions feel right. For example, buying when prices are high because of excitement. Selling when prices are low because of fear. This is the opposite of what smart investors do. Fear flips your decisions. How to control fear? First, start small. Don't try to invest everything at once. Second, learn the basics. The more you understand, the less you fear. Third, think long-term. Short-term changes don't matter as much over time. And most importantly, accept that risk is part of investing. There is no growth without some risk. What is the real truth? Fear will never fully go away. Even experienced investors feel it sometimes. The difference is, they don't let fear control their decisions. They act with a plan, not emotion. So now the real question is fear protecting you from losing money? Or is it stopping you from building wealth? And more importantly, are you going to let fear decide your future? Or are you going to take control?